Morning student. Today's the subject accountancy. We will learn the topic what is the meaning of account and types of account. What is the meaning of account? That is the most important topic in the accounts. The account is a short description in the book of account related to a particular person, goods, profit, loss, expenses, assets and liabilities are called account. Okay, in the other way, the head on which the transactions pertaining to a particular person, assets, expenses, income are entered in the book is called account. Two types of account actually. First, personal account and second, impersonal account. First, personal account and second, impersonal account. First, personal account. The accounts which is related to person. The accounts which is related to person are called personal account. Example, account of a Mohan, account of a doctor, account of a Sohan, account of a company, etc. Actually, this account is further classified three types. First, natural personal account. Then second, artificial personal account, and third, representative personal account. First, natural personal account. The account which related to transactions of human beings, Shyam, Vikas, Rohit, Ravi, etc. The account which is related to transactions of human beings. Okay. Then second, artificial personal account. The account which is indirectly represented the person created by law or dealing with other person is called artificial. For example, companies, banks, Bima, railway company, Lions Club, SMJV, etc. Then third, representative personal account, which an account represent a person is called representative personal account. There are no at the name of any person of institution. Example, capital account, drawing account, outstanding salaries, outstanding wages, prepaid salary, prepaid wages, etc. Okay. Then personal account are three types. First, natural personal, second, artificial personal, and third, representative personal account. Personal means direct related to person. Natural person means the account which is related to transactions to human beings. Artificial may indirectly represented the human beings, and third, representative may when an account represent a person. Okay. Then second, impersonal account. Accounts which are not personal, like building account, wages account, cash account, and purchase return, sales return, etc. Actually, impersonal account is two types. First, real account, and second, nominal account. Real account, the accounts which is related to assets or goods or properties like purchase, sales, purchase return, sales returns, cash. Assessed, two types of assessed, current and fixed assessed. लैंड, मशीनरी, बिल्डिंग, ये सब रियल अकाउंट्स हैं. रियल अकाउंट इज क्लासिफाइड टू टाइप्स, फर्स्ट टेंजेबल एंड सेकंड इनटेंजेबल. टेंजेबल यानी मूर्त. टेंजेबल अकाउंट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ रियल. रियल अकाउंट इज रिलेटेड एसेस्ट एंड मनी of the business, so tangible accounts included all those assets and money which arises due to business activities which can be seen or touched. The assets which can be seen and touched are called tangible account. tangible जिसको हम छू सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं, ये मूर्त है. intangible it cannot be touched and seen, just like goodwill, patent, copyrights, etc. then third main account, nominal account. These are the account which is related to expenses and losses, profit and income is called nominal account. For example, rent paid, wages paid, commission paid, sales tax paid, income tax paid, commission receiving, interest receiving, ये सब नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. तो टुडेज क्लास वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, व्हाट इज़ अकाउंट. तो अकाउंट्स का मैंने मतलब बताया कि द हेड ऑन विच द ट्रांजेक्शंस pertaining a particular person, assessed, liabilities, income and expenses entered the book is called account. Actually two types of account, first personal account and second impersonal account. Personal account is related direct person. It is subdivided three types of account. First, artificial person, representative person and natural person. Then second, impersonal account. Impersonal account is accounts which are not personal, like building account, wages account, cash account, etc. Impersonal account, this can be further classified in two types of, first real and second nominal. Real account is related goods and assets. Nominal account is related expenses and losses, profit and income. Okay, thank you.